I'll guide you through how to use N8N for free. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to the official N8N website. On the top right, click Sign In. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. On the left sidebar, you'll see options like Overview, Personal, and Projects. Click the plus icon to create a new project. Now, customize your project. Set a name, choose an icon, and fill in the project description. Below that, you can add users to collaborate. At the bottom, there's an option to delete this project. At the top of your workspace, you'll find tabs: Workflows, Credentials, and Executions. Click Workflows, then choose either Test a simple AI agent example or Start from scratch. Inside the editor, click the center plus icon to add a trigger. You'll see trigger types like Manually, on App Event, Schedule, Webhook Call, or Submission. Above the editor, navigate between Editor, Executions, and Evaluations. Once your workflow is set, click Save or Share. In the bottom left menu, explore Admin Panel, Templates, Variables, Insights, Help, and what's new to stay updated with N8N's latest features.